Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the environment. Enable virtualization in BIOS so performance is smooth, then install a lightweight emulator or play games for PC. Once installed, sign into your Google account inside that emulator. This links Play Store access. Now open the Play Store app because the next action is immediate. Search the app you want to join as a beta. Make sure your emulator has internet access and enough storage before moving on. You should now be on the app page in Play Store inside the emulator. Tap to join the beta program and confirm any prompts. This enrollment can take a minute to register. Once done, press Update or Install to download the beta APK. The emulator handles installation like a phone. Make sure to review required permissions and allow them if needed. If the Update button is missing, restart the Play Store app and check again. Changes sometimes need a quick refresh. You're at the finish line. Open the beta app and exercise its key functions to confirm the new behavior. Test network and notifications if applicable. If you want to stop testing, leave the beta on the Play Store page or uninstall the app and reinstall a public version. If something breaks, app won't update or crashes, clear the Play Store cache inside emulator settings, sign out and back into Google, or reinstall the emulator. These steps resolve most sync and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.